Two heavyweight CRM contenders, Zoho CRM versus Pipedrive. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho CRM, the all-in-one CRM suite powerhouse. And on the right, Pipedrive, the sales-focused pipeline champion. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's how we're going to compare these two. First, pricing and value. You know how budgets always come up, right? Then, core CRM features. What do you really get under the hood? We're also looking at marketing automation, sales pipeline management, super important, AI and automation, because, who doesn't want to save time? User experience, integrations and ecosystem, and, last but not least, scalability. Let's roll through this category by category so nothing falls through the cracks. Okay, first up, pricing and value. Zoho CRM is kinda legendary here. It's way more affordable if you want every feature. And honestly, Zoho One is such a game changer because it bundles everything you'd need with zero scary surprise fees. The total cost of ownership? Pretty solid. But navigating the pricing tiers can feel like solving a puzzle, I'll admit. And if you want all the power, you sorta need Zoho One. Now, Pipedrive is way more upfront. There's no gotcha moments, just simple plans you get right away. But, and this is important, add-ons rack up fast. So campaigns, lead booster, projects, all cost extra. That gets, pricey. So yeah, Zoho CRM takes this round. Moving on to CRM core features. Zoho brings really rich contact sorting, crazy activity tracking, and honestly, the lead management is super comprehensive. But the interface, it's not as intuitive as you'd hope, and the learning curve is legit steep. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is kinda a dream if you're in sales. Email integration? Amazing. Especially the two-way sync with Gmail or Outlook. And their pipeline view is so clean and visual. The catch? It's more sales-focused. So if you want deep CRM suite features, you might hit a wall. For pure usability and getting deals done, Pipedrive edges out Zoho CRM here. All right, jumping to marketing automation. A huge deal if you want more than just moving deals. Zoho CRM absolutely shows off here. You get campaign builders baked in, mass emails, scheduling, even content management. It's a legit marketing tool set. Almost too much if you just want something basic. Meanwhile, Pipedrive, it's kind of bare bones when it comes to marketing. Yes, you can do basic email campaigns, but to unlock the good stuff, you need their higher-end plans. And it still isn't native. Often you gotta bolt on third-party apps. Zoho CRM is a clear winner in marketing automation. No contest. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know with Zoho One, you actually get over 45 apps like CRM, projects, analytics, and Sales IQ, all bundled into one predictable price? Honestly, that's wild. Sales pipeline management. This is literally what sales teams dream about. So let's look at Zoho first. Forecasting, scoring rules, customizable pipelines, and whoa, there's an AI-powered sales assistant too. But territory management, not top-notch. Now, Pipedrive, the pipeline is why people love it. Custom pipelines, deal routing, so your deals don't just sit untouched, product catalogs, and honestly, the interface makes it way more fun to use day to day. But hey, there's no advanced territory management or compensation tools either. So for this one, it's a straight-up tie. Both are solid, just with very different flavors. Let's talk AI and automation. Because in 2025, if your CRM's not smart, what's the point? Zoho CRM goes full throttle with advanced AI features. You get Zoho Creator for ultra-custom workflows, Workflow Builder, and even AI-driven insights. Mind-blowing. But just a heads up, some of the cool AI stuff is gated behind higher plans. Now, Pipedrive has timely notifications and solid automation. Plus, there's always talk about more intelligent features on the way. Still, the depth is just not at Zoho's level. Zoho CRM takes the win for AI and automation. No question. User experience. Super important. Zoho CRM lets you customize the interface pretty much endlessly, which is neat. But the actual design, not exactly jaw-dropping. And honestly, the learning curve means your team might need a lot of hand-holding. Now flip over to Pipedrive and it's just nice. The UI is way better, intuitive, clean, and it makes sales genuinely less stressful to manage. Easy to adopt, easy to like. Downside is it doesn't let you hack things apart as much as Zoho, but honestly, most folks won't care. So Pipedrive is the clear winner for user experience.
Integrations and ecosystem. Big one if you use loads of apps. Zoho CRM is kind of best enjoyed with other Zoho stuff, like campaigns, projects, analytics. It's all tightly connected, a real unified vibe, but fewer third-party integrations, and it's very Zoho-centric. So if you're an ISV or deep into other stuff, it's not perfect. Pipedrive is a bit more open, still kind of limited overall, and if you want serious integrations, you end up buying add-ons. So still, Zoho CRM wins for ecosystem power. Last category, scalability.
Zoho CRM is honestly wild when it comes to how much it can grow. CPQ features, territory planning, enterprise stuff, it's robust. Though, yeah, it does get more complex as you go bigger. Pipedrive, gorgeous for small businesses, super quick to get up and running, but when it comes to field service or back-end nitty-gritty, it can't match Zoho. Best suited for smaller teams or folks that don't need hardcore back-end power. So Zoho CRM's your winner for scale. Now, just to visualize how things stack up, here's a radar chart. You'll see Zoho CRM leading in pricing, marketing automation, AI, integrations, and scalability, while Pipedrive shines bright for user experience and core sales-centric features. They're neck and neck for sales pipeline management. Makes it interesting, right? Okay, so bottom line, if you need something that does everything, especially if you have lots of teams or want marketing and automation superpowers, Zoho CRM's the choice, especially if you grab Zoho One for the best value. But if you're mostly a sales crew, want something simple and beautiful to work with, and value easy onboarding, Pipedrive is a fantastic pick. Still on the fence about which CRM is best for you? Go compare features side by side, check pricing, and find your perfect match.